Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your vaccination history with CVS Online. This video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see what vaccines you've gotten with CVS Online. Which ones have you gotten before? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your CVS account. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually go about doing this. One way to do it is click on Manage and Refill Prescriptions. And once you click on this option here and scroll down, you should see your prescriptions. And then what will happen is that you're going to see your vaccine history. So if you scroll down, you'll see your vaccine history. Go ahead and click on this button here, and you should see the vaccines that you've gotten with CVS before. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your vaccine history with CVS Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.